Hey Samsung fans! Glowing Star big news is brewing about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, and we've got all the details right here. This year, Samsung shifted its annual Galaxy S series Unpacked event from February to mid-January, and it looks like that schedule is here to stay. Let's dive into the exciting updates about the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup and what to expect from the January 23rd Unpacked event in San Francisco. Rocket Unpacked event announcement. The Korean site FN News, via Jokonlasrive, reports that Samsung will hold its Galaxy Unpacked event on January 23, 2025, in San Francisco. At this first Unpacked event of the year, Samsung is expected to launch the next-generation Galaxy S25 series, including the base Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra. Additionally, rumors suggest that Samsung will debut the much-anticipated Galaxy S25 Slim. Calendar. What to expect? Samsung confirmed during its Q3 earnings report that the Galaxy S25 series would arrive in early 2025, along with discussions about more foldable devices. The report highlights that the S25 plans to enhance the Galaxy AI experience to drive innovation in everyday life. We're excited to see what new Galaxy AI features Samsung will introduce in the S25 series, possibly equipping the Bixby personal assistant with generative AI capabilities. Robot Face. Alongside the S25 lineup, Samsung is expected to launch its Android 15-based One UI 7, announced in October 2024. This UI upgrade is expected to significantly overhaul Samsung's Android skin. We'll know more about One UI 7 in late November when the beta is scheduled to be released. Mobile phone. Design and hardware upgrades. While we anticipate some design tweaks, it seems Samsung is focusing on software upgrades over hardware ones for the S25 series. Here's what we know. Rounder corners on the handsets. A slightly larger display on the S25. A rounder back panel on the S25 Ultra. All phones will run on Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite processors. Hammer and Wrench. The S25 and S25 Plus are unlikely to see camera upgrades from the S24 versions, though there are rumors of new camera sensors. The Ultra might get significant camera upgrades with the ultrawide and secondary telephoto lenses both using 50MP sensors, a massive improvement over the current 12MP and 10MP on the S24 Ultra. The S25 Ultra might also feature a new telephoto camera with variable capabilities, camera with flash. Final thoughts. Assuming the rumors are true and Samsung holds Galaxy Unpacked on January 23, Tom's Guide will be there to test out the latest Samsung smartphones in person and bring you all the latest news on Samsung's announcements. Stay tuned for more updates. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Victory Han.